Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Enjoy English Talks, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Judy.
Hello, Judy. Hello, everyone. I'm Jake. How are you today, Judy?
I am relaxed, thank you. I had a very quiet evening yesterday. I made soup, read my book, and went to bed early. It was lovely. And you, Jake?
I am good, but my evening was very different from yours. I watched a movie, ate pizza, and went to bed very late. I am a little tired today.
That sounds like a fun evening, though.
It was fun, but I always feel better when I have a good routine. A plan for the evening.
That is so true, and that is exactly what we are going to talk about today.
Oh, really? Evening routines?
Yes, today we are going to share our evening routines, what we do after work, how we relax, how we get ready for bed.
I love this topic. I want to hear your routine, Judy. You always seem so calm and organized.
Thank you, Jake, and I want to hear yours too. I think our listeners will enjoy comparing their evenings with ours.
That sounds great. Let's do it.
But first, we have a small request.
Yes. If you like our podcast, please click the like button.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks.
And share this episode with your friends and family.
Thank you. It helps us so much.
We love our listeners.
Okay, now let's start.
So, Judy, tell me about your evening. What is the first thing you do when you come home?
Well, the first thing I do is take off my shoes. I always take off my shoes at the door. Then I change my clothes. I put on something comfortable, like soft pants and a big sweater.
Comfortable clothes. Yes, that is the best part of coming home. I do the same thing. I take off my work clothes and put on my favorite old t-shirt.
Your favorite old t-shirt?
Yes, it is very old. It has holes in it, but it is the most comfortable thing I own.
I understand. We all have that one piece of clothing. After I change, I usually go to the kitchen. I like to cook dinner.
You cook every evening?
Almost every evening. I find cooking very relaxing. It helps me forget about work. I put on some music and I start cooking.
What kind of music?
Something soft and calm. Jazz or acoustic guitar. Nothing too loud or fast.
That sounds so peaceful. What do you usually cook?
Simple things. Rice with vegetables is my favorite. Sometimes I make pasta, sometimes soup. I don't like to spend too much time cooking, maybe 30 minutes.
30 minutes is perfect. I wish I could cook like you, Judy. My cooking isn't very good. You know about my famous pasta soup.
I remember. But Jake, what do you do for dinner?
Well, sometimes I cook something simple, like eggs and toast, or I heat up some leftovers. Leftovers are food from yesterday or the day before. You save it in the fridge and eat it again later.
That's right, leftovers. 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 That is a very useful word. Many people eat leftovers for dinner.
Yes, and sometimes I just order food. There's a good pizza place near my apartment.
Pizza again, Jake?
I know. I eat too much pizza, but it is so easy and so delicious.
I understand. Pizza is hard to say no to. Okay, so after dinner, what do you do?
After dinner, I wash the dishes. I don't like doing it, but I hate a dirty kitchen even more, so I always wash the dishes right away.
That is a very good habit. I do the same thing. I clean the kitchen right after dinner. It only takes 10 minutes, but if I wait, it feels much harder.
Exactly. If I leave the dishes until the morning, I feel terrible when I see them.
So after the kitchen is clean, I usually make a cup of green tea, and then I sit on my couch. This is my favorite time of the day.
Your couch time.
Yes, I call it my quiet time. I sit on the couch with my tea. Sometimes I read a book. Sometimes I just sit and look out the window. I don't use my phone. I don't watch the news. I just relax.
No phone? That is very hard for me. After dinner, I usually sit on the couch too, but I always have my phone in my hand.
What do you do on your phone?
I check messages, I look at videos, I read articles,
Before I know it, 1 hour has passed, and I don't even feel relaxed.
That happens to many people. The phone steals your time. You think you are relaxing, but your brain is still very busy.
That is true. Maybe I should try your way. No phone, just tea and quiet.
You should try it, even for 15 minutes. I promise you will feel different.
I will try it tonight. But Judy, do you ever have a snack in the evening after dinner?
Sometimes, if I am a little hungry, I eat some fruit, or I have a few crackers with cheese, but I try not to eat too much at night.
I always want a snack at night. Around 9 o'clock, I get hungry again. I usually eat chips or cookies.
Chips and cookies are tasty, but fruit is better for sleep.
I know, but the cookies call my name. Jake, eat me. Jake, come here.
You and your cookies.
So, Judy, what do you do after your quiet time?
After my quiet time, I usually take a shower. I like to shower in the evening, not in the morning. The warm water helps me relax even more.
Oh, I am the opposite. I always shower in the morning. It helps me wake up. But I know many people shower at night.
Yes, it is a personal preference. Preference means what you like more. Your choice.
Preference. 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 Good word. My preference is morning showers. Your preference is evening showers.
Exactly. After my shower, I do one more thing. I prepare for tomorrow. I check my calendar. I put my clothes out. I put my bag near the door.
You put your clothes out the night before?
Yes, I choose what I will wear tomorrow and I put it on a chair. That way, in the morning, I don't have to think about it.
That is so smart. In the morning, I always stand in front of my closet for 10 minutes, and I still can't decide what to wear.
Many people do that. But if you prepare the night before, your morning is much easier.
I am going to try that too. You are giving me so many good ideas today.
I'm happy to share. Now, the last part of my evening, bedtime. I usually go to bed around 10 or 10:30. I read a book for about 20 minutes, just a few pages, and then I turn off the light.
What kind of books do you read before bed?
Something easy and calm. Stories, not news. Nothing exciting or scary, because I want my brain to slow down, to wind down.
Wind down. What does that mean?
Wind down means to slowly become more calm and relaxed. Like a clock that slowly stops, you wind down before you sleep.
Wind down. WINDDOWN. I like that. So your evening is all about winding down.
Exactly. My evening is about going from busy to calm step by step. Change clothes, cook, eat, clean, tea, read, shower, prepare, sleep.
That is a beautiful routine, Judy. Very organized, very peaceful.
Thank you, but I want to say something important. My routine isn't perfect every night. Sometimes I am tired and I skip steps. Sometimes I eat dinner on the couch. Sometimes I go to bed late because I can't stop reading my book.
Really? Even you?
Yes, even me. A routine is a guide, not a strict rule. On some nights, you follow all the steps. On other nights, you follow 3 or 4, and that is okay.
That makes me feel better. I thought I had to be perfect.
No, you just have to try. Okay, now tell me more about your evening, Jake. What do you do after you wash the dishes?
Okay, after the dishes, I usually sit on the couch and watch something, a TV show or a movie. I like comedy and action movies.
How long do you usually watch?
Maybe 1 hour, sometimes 2. It depends on the show. If it is very good, I can't stop watching.
That is what we call binge watching. You watch many episodes in a row.
Binge watching. Yes, I'm very good at that. Too good, maybe.
Do you watch alone or with someone?
Usually alone, but sometimes I video call my sister Anna and we watch the same show together. We press play at the same time.
That is so sweet. You and Anna do that?
Yes, even though she is far away, we can still spend time together. It is our thing.
I love that. Do you ever watch shows in English, Jake?
Sometimes, when I watch in English, I use subtitles. subtles, subtitles, the words on the screen.
That is a great way to learn. You listen to the English and you read at the same time.
Yes, and sometimes I pause and repeat a sentence, just like shadowing.
See? Your evening TV time is also learning time. That is wonderful. What else do you do?
After TV, I usually take Max for a short walk, just around the block, 10 or 15 minutes. Max needs to go outside before bed.
That is good for both of you. A short walk at night is very calming.
It is. The streets are quiet, the air is cool, Max is happy, and I feel calm after the walk. Sometimes I listen to a podcast while I walk. A short one, 10 or 15 minutes.
That is a great idea. You are walking, relaxing, and learning at the same time.
Yes, 3 things in one. Very efficient. Efficient means you use your time well. efficient. Efficient.
Very good. I love that word. And after the walk?
After the walk, I brush my teeth, I get into bed, and then I usually look at my phone one more time.
Jake.
I know, the phone again, but I am working on it. I want to stop using my phone in bed.
Here's a tip. Put your phone in a different room, not next to your bed.
But I use my phone as my alarm clock.
You can buy a small alarm clock. They're very cheap. Then your phone stays far away.
That is a good idea. I will try that.
What time do you usually go to sleep, Jake?
Around 11, sometimes midnight. It depends on the movie or the show, but I know I should sleep earlier.
11 isn't bad. The important thing is to have a routine, the same steps every night. Your body learns the pattern and then sleep comes more easily.
That is true. On the nights when I follow a routine, I fall asleep faster.
See? Your body knows.
Judy, is your weekend evening routine different from your weekday evening routine?
A little bit. On weekdays, my routine is very structured. I follow the same steps every night. But on weekends, I am more flexible. Flexible means I can change things. I don't follow strict rules.
Flexible. F-L-E-X-I-B-L-E. Flexible. I like that word. So what do you do on weekend evenings?
On weekends, I sometimes go out for dinner with a friend, or I cook something special, something that takes more time, like a new recipe I found online.
That sounds nice. My weekend evenings are very different too. On Friday nights, I sometimes go out with friends. We go to a restaurant or a cafe.
That sounds fun. And Saturday evenings?
Saturday is my lazy evening. I watch a long movie. I eat popcorn. I stay up late. No alarm clock the next morning.
Everyone needs a lazy evening sometimes. It is good for you.
I agree. Okay, Judy, I want to make a better weekday evening routine. Let me say it out loud.
Go ahead.
First, I come home and change my clothes. Then, I cook something simple or eat leftovers. After dinner, I wash the dishes right away. Then, I watch one show, not 3, just one. After that, I take Max for a walk. Then, I take a shower and brush my teeth. And finally, I read a book for 15 minutes. No phone in the bedroom.
That sounds like a wonderful plan, Jake. I am proud of you.
Thank you, Judy. Let's see if I can do it tonight.
You can do it. I believe in you. Let's review.
Yes, let's see what we learned.
Today, we talked about our evening routines. We shared what we do from dinner to bedtime.
Yes, we learned words like leftovers, preference, and wind down.
Good. And we talked about healthy evening habits, like cooking, reading, and having quiet time.
And not looking at our phones too much.
I loved talking about this with you.
I hope so.
Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Thank you so much for listening to Enjoy English Talks.
Yes, thank you, everyone. It was fun.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks.
Give this episode a like.
And share it with a friend.
Now, we have a question for you today.
Yes, please leave a comment below.
Tell us what is one thing you always do before bed. We want to hear about your evening routine.
We would love to read your answers.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.